Yo, what's up, guys? Alright, I'm back. Part 2. Get it. I figured out how to do it. You click this thing. I thought I clicked it. Apparently, I didn't click the motherfucker. And now we can see. The room has lights. So, let's go get Mr. Robot's bitch ass over here. And let's explore this and give him his fucking eggs. Need the nos on this. Hurry up. I may or may not have also watched a quick tutorial on how to turn the lights on in here. But we got the lights on. Oh, I knew there was something over here. Oh, do I need all 7 eggs? Okay. Get this one. Ooh, can I go down it? Oh, I can't go down the slide. I can do parkour though. Oh! Ooh, another thing. I think I already clicked that for some reason in the last episode. Where'd he go? Oh, god damn it, he's over there. I was just looking for the other eggs real quick. Fuck, man, where could they be? Yep, in the boat. That thing. Oh, so I'm just swing sets. 6 eggs. No. Oh wait, under? Let me use my brain real quick and not be dumb. Alright, I think I need to click the red button. Ah! Come on, let me get it. Oh. Yeah. Feeling slick. Boom. Is that not 6? Huh. Alright, come here. Don't hit the fucking wall. Yeah, you. Okay. Here. Thank you. Okay. You know dumb shit on me now, okay? Yeah, there we go. Come on. Damn. Find the eggs. How many more do I fucking need? Did I count wrong? What the fuck? What's going on? Okay. Oh, slide. Yeah. Like an Easter egg hunt, man. Like an Easter egg hunt. How do I crouch again? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. I'm out. Alright, y'all. After hours of research, I think this button does something. This game doesn't. That game ain't scary, it's rage inducing. Stupid ass egg, man. Oh my god. Alright, got him all his fucking eggs. Do something. You gonna poop something out? Claim your reward. At his mouth. That's not weird at all. Oh, we got the yellow key card. Come on, Mr. Robot. Boom! Oh, god damn it, man. This robot. Hey, what's up? Alright, here. There. Really? Here. Come on. Yeah, I feel you, man. Fucking desk out my way. God knows this is gonna stop him. Yeah. Alright. Boom. Full power. All cylinders. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay. Gonna go around this way. Hold up. He broke in the last episode. Okay. Just give him a minute. He just... I'll give him a run up. Yeah! You gotta be fucking kidding me. Am I stuck? Okay. And go! Boom! Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, it's the chair. I swear everything's scaring me. Okay. Come on, robot. You and me. Distraction at 1. What does that mean? Does that mean click this? Okay. Oh, we have the hammer. Y'all, I'm so dumb. Come on. Yeah, I don't want to go either, but you know, we don't really have a choice, do we? Oh, handyman over here. Come on. I'm going first. Bro. Come on. There we go. Okay. Fuck. Okay. These weak arms are heavy. God damn. Come on. What is that? What? Says laughter is the best medicine, so make sure to smile. Fuck that. Come on. What's this? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, we're doing stuff. Come on. Bro, I'ma really need you to work with me. Like, come on. Come here. Got some fresh batteries for you. There we go. Give me a second. I need my friend to come. Hold up. Come on. Damn. Bro. Here. There we go. Yep. Just hit yourself. Okay. I'll meet you over there, okay? Over here, man. Wait, what was my color? Fuck. I don't know. What does this do? Oh, shit. I wasn't supposed to click that. Oh. Shit. Okay, wait. You were green. Yeah, you're green. You are purple. Is there anything closer to purple? No, okay, so yeah, you're purple. Come on. One more. There, purple. Fuck, what do we do? White. Come on. White. Orange. You were yellow. No, you were blue. Fuck. Wait, is that a red or is that an orange? That's orange. That's red. Oh, let's go. Alright, we did it. Got the card. I go back. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit! Nah, don't come over here. Oh, fuck off, no. Oh my fuck, it's looking at me. Oh, shit! Stop looking at me! I don't want no beef! Motherfucker! I freaked out, man. I don't know what happened. God damn it! Shit! Alright. I want to play a hole. Fuck your hole! Oh! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! No. Bad bird. Bad bird. Bad bird. If I don't look at it, it can't see me. Got it, bitch! Ah! Run! Fucking run! I'm holding sprint! I can't go anywhere! Shit! Fuck! Oh, why not decide to play this stupid game, man? I know it's coming, it's just the music fucks with me, man. I hate horror games, bro. I can't do this shit. Okay. Fuck! Okay. Come on. Just spam it. Please. I see you, Birdie. This robot's gonna be the... Come on. Dude. We're dead. No, we're dead. I don't know. We're dead. The robot was too late. We're dead. We were gonna die. Okay. Fuck this, man. I gotta stand up. Alright, come on. Shit, I'm pressing the wrong keys. Click the button! Bro. He's here! We're fucking dead. Just come on. Stupid bird, man. I don't even know what to do after. Alright. Click. Come on, you can do it. Take your time. Bro, it's right. Please, fuck! I played a golfer game, and that didn't piss me off as much as this robot does. Alright, come on. Just come here. All you have to do is come here. How did he get his own chair? Did I do that? Did I fuck up and like... You're just gonna get me, man. Stupid bird. That's why you're a flamingo. You're not even the cool kind of bird. Dude. do you want me to do? No! Come on! Come on! Please! Oh my god. Bro, I see it's there, man. I see you're there. One more try, why not? One more try. Alright, come on. This is your time. Come on. Not where I clicked. Like, are your batteries half dead? I see you, you dumb bird. What happens if it doesn't work until he's on my ass? Like, he's... Fuck. You see, now... Please, please. Run. Oh, it's coming! Woo! What do I do? What do I need to do? I'm like stuck. One more try, one more try. Damn! It's like it doesn't want me to be great or something. Alright. What's up, birdie? What are you doing? Oh, I didn't, I was trying to be cocky, man. That doesn't count. That doesn't count. Yeah, I want to be reincarnated. Alright. I see you. You don't scare me, I scare you. What you gonna do? That's right, nothing. Hey, chill out, bro. Give me the green light. Look, I can't run. I'm a juke him. Oh, man. Fuck. Yeah, that's my expression right now. There's two dots and an upside down frowning face. Alright, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, man. I can't deal with Big Bird tonight. I just can't. I can't be bothered with him. Just pissing me off. But you know what? Fuck that. I'm gonna fight him. Come on. Come on. I'm right here. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Wait. Miss Mason, me too. I'm trying to read. Just trying to read. I feel like maybe I should have found that letter before I started this shit show that I got myself into. Hold on, let's try to read it and figure it out real quick. Hold on. Yes, yes. Alright, come on. Alright, I want to play with the whole bird, but everyone left me. Everyone has a party without me. Miss Mason, see you soon, but I gotta go. I am scared because the hole is loud and my friends scream, but I am having fun. Well, Mason, man, I don't... I know. Come on. Gotcha! I don't know what to do, guys. I don't. Alright. If y'all enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Try to get the video to 1 like. Hope y'all enjoyed hearing me scream. And I'll catch y'all in part 3 if I ever figure out how to play this game. Because clearly I can't figure it out. So, peace, and I'll talk to y'all soon.